Hey students, now I will draw these four angles with the help of compass. After that, all rest of the angles we will draw by the protractor. ये चार एंगल हम कंपास से बनाएंगे, बाकी के जो भी एंगल्स हैं हम प्रोटेक्टर से बनाएंगे, ठीक है? क्योंकि ये एंगल्स आप अभी बना सकते हैं, फिर 7th क्लास में देखेंगे आप कैसे बनाएंगे. हाउ वुड यू बी विजिबल? ओके, देन हाउ कैन यू ड्रॉ दीज एंगल्स? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू ड्रॉ ए लाइन. And that would be 4-5 centimeter. I have taken the name AB, 5 centimeter line. After that, with the help of compass and scale, take your 1 or 2 centimeter radius and just draw a semicircle from A. Okay, so where the point touch on the line, cut the another arc. It is your 60 degree. Where the arc cut, it is called 60 degree. So just join this. Where the both arc meet, join these lines. So this is your 60 degree first part. Second part, wherever you want to make 120. The same procedure. First of all, draw a line 5 centimeter. The name AB. With the help of compass, radius. Draw a semicircle. Where the meet on the line, this first arc is of 60 degree. Second arc is of 120. Okay, so join this. This is your 120 degree. Then third one I will make 90 degree. And how will you make? The same procedure. First of all, you will draw a line and that would be 5 centimeter AB. Draw a semicircle from A. Where the line touch, cut the arc, it is 60 degree. From this arc, cut the another arc, this is 120. Now, where the radius of the compass, just reduce little bit one. This is compass full radius, little bit reduce. So it will be more than half. Now, cut the another arc from this. Cut the another arc from this. It would be your 90 degree. Now, join your lines. So now this is your 90 degree. So I have made 60, 120 and 90. Now I will make 30 degree. How can you draw the 30 degree angle? So the same procedure. First of all, draw a line segment of the 5 centimeter. This is AB. With the help of this compass, draw a semicircle. Where the line meet the point, this is your 60 degree. अब 60 को bisect करना है. How can you do the bisect of 60? So this is your radius. Now little bit, do reduce. It is more than half. Take arc from here. Take arc from here. So this is your 30 degree. इसे बोलते हैं एंगल का bisect करना. And now join these lines. This would be your 30 degree. And steps of construction is also compulsory in this angle. Drawing the angles. इसके अलावा जो भी एंगल्स हैं आपका एग्जाम में कोई नंबर नहीं कटेगा अगर आप प्रोटेक्टर से बनाते हैं. लेकिन ये 4 एंगल्स इट्स कंपल्सरी टू मेक बाय द कंपास. इसमें 45 और ऐड कर लेते हैं. 45 भी आप बना सकते हैं. कैसे? 45 भी देख लीजिए आप. यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस. First of all, draw the line segment 5 centimeter AB. Then with the help of compass from point A, any radius, cut the semicircle. Where the line meet, it is 60. Another arc, it is 120. Now little bit reduce, cut the one arc. Cut the from second arc here. So don't join the line darkly. Only join the line very slightly. dot 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 dot. This is a 90 degree, but now you have to bisect. And how you have to make? You have to make 45 degree. So check your radius. This is your radius full till 90. This is your 90 degree radius. Now little bit reduce. Do it the little bit reduce. उससे क्या होगा? उससे 9 more than half बन जाएगी. मैंने थोड़ा सा कम कर लिया. Now cut the one arc from here. और जहां पे लाइन टच हुए 90 डिग्री वहां से एक आर्क कट करो, तो जो भी ये मिलेगा दैट वुड बी योर 45 डिग्री एंगल. ये 45 डिग्री है. फिर आप इसे रफ कर सकते हैं इफ यू वांट. नहीं करना चाहते कोई दिक्कत नहीं, इट्स ऑल्सो करेक्ट. स्टेप्स ऑल्सो यू हैव टू राइट कंपल्सरी. ओके, बी रेडी फॉर दिस. और ये एंगल्स अगर आप प्रोटेक्टर से बनाते हैं तो आपके मार्क्स कटेंगे. ये एंगल्स आपको कंपल्सरी कंपास से ड्रॉ करने हैं. इट इज योर कंपल्सरी. इसके अलावा आप जो भी एंगल्स मिलेंगे एग्जाम में आप प्रोटेक्टर यूज कर सकते हैं, नो इश्यू.